Dear students, today we'll discuss about the topic type conversion or typecasting in Java. So what is the type conversion? Means converting from one data type to another data type is called as type conversion or typecasting. In Java, we have two types of typecasting. One is widening typecasting, the other one is narrowing typecasting. So first we'll discuss about what is widening typecasting. The other name of widening typecasting is also called as implicit conversion. So you're already aware in C++, implicit conversion is nothing but internally the system will convert from one data type to another data type is called as implicit conversion. Here in Java, we are going to use a term called widening typecasting. Widening is nothing but we are converting a lower data type into higher data type. So lower data type is nothing but you can say here character data type. Suppose if I store a value A, capital A, in a variable called value of type char. So if I wanted to print out in Java like system.out.println, if I want to convert that character value into integer type, means here we are converting a character value into integer type. So that is converting a lower data type into higher data type is called as widening typecasting or implicit typecasting. I hope you understand. Now second one, narrow typecasting. The other name of narrow typecasting we can call it as explicit conversion. So what is explicit conversion? Let me explain about explicit conversion. Explicit conversion is nothing but the user is going to specify explicitly what type of conversion you want. Suppose example, if I want to divide a number 3 by 2. So 3 divided by 2, normally we're going to get 1.5. But in our programming language, 3 divided by 2, we're going to get a coefficient that is nothing but 1. But I need exactly 1.5. So I have to explicitly specify in parentheses what type of conversion I want. So I'm going to specify as a float. So when I say float 3 by 2, I'm going to get exactly 1.5. That is explicitly the user is going to specify in brackets, that is explicit type conversion. So in our Java programming language, we're going to call it as a narrow typecasting. So converting higher data type into lower data type. Okay. So actually when you compare the definition higher to lower, that we're going to say narrow typecasting. But here I'm converting an integer to float. Okay, because the value which are going to be truncated, I wanted to exactly print as a float data type. Okay, so we are going to use a narrow typecasting. Thank you.